Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing the second Roman from 8.2, and first question is 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan squared 30. Tan 30 value is going to be 1 by root 3. So let's start. 1 by root 3 times 2 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. I just substituted the values. It will be 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. So it will be 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. After taking LCM and adding the numbers, it will become 4 by 3. Let's move on. So 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. When you get it up, 4 by 3 becomes 3 by 4. Like when you are taking it up to the top. They cancel each other out, and I'll rewrite 3 as root 3 into root 3 because root 3 into root 3 equals root 3 square equals 3. So it will become root 3 by 2. That is the answer. So for the next one, 1 minus tan square 45, 1 plus tan square 45. So 1 minus tan square 45, right? By 1 plus tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 minus 1 square by 1 plus 1 square. That is 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1. 0 by 2. This cancel each other out. So the answer is 0. 0 is the final answer. Moving on to the third sum. For what value of sine 2a equals sine 2 sine a? So we have to use common sense for this sum because 0 into anything equals 0 and even sine 0 is 0. So a will be definitely be 0 as sine 2 into 0 equals 2 sine 0. So 2 into 0, 0 equals 0. Therefore LHS equals RHS and A equals 0 degrees. Let's move on to the next sum. Fourth one, 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 minus 1 minus tan square 30. This is gonna be very easy. We just have to substitute the values. Tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. So it will be 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. So it will be 2 by root 3. I'm gonna elaborate this sum because it is a very small one, and if they give it for 2 marks or so, you have to give more steps. So it will be 3 minus 1 by 3. It's gonna be 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. It would be better if I first do the step completely. 2 by 3. So it will be you can cancel the 2 over here. So it will be 1 by root 3 times root 3 into root 3 by 1. You know why I wrote this as root 3 into root 3? Because root 3 into root 3 equals root 3 square, that is 3. So that is why I wrote this. And so the answer was 3, and now I will cancel out these two root 3's, and the final answer will be root 3, and that is the answer you need. Thank you for watching, guys. Take a screenshot or note these sums down. See you guys in the next one. I'm gonna be displaying them for 30 seconds or so. So see them and have a good day. if you are having an exam or a test, all the best and try not to copy.